Welcome to Universal Vlogs. In our previous units, I was dealing with the algebra, a branch of mathematics, and an introduction to algebra I have given briefly, and there I have told you about the like algebraic terms and the also unlike algebraic terms. In the like and unlike algebraic terms, how to do the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division also in a very simple manner. I have explained to you through the examples. Now, in this unit, I am going to explain to you about the types of algebraic expressions. In the types of algebraic expressions, see, the first expression, what I can tell you is a monomial expression. Monomial, the word itself tells you mono means the single term will be there, single term. So I have given you here the examples also. 8x to the power of 6, 10xy, 12xyz. I am giving here a very few examples. So a monomial expression consists of a single term. And next is binomial expression. A binomial expression consists of the two terms. The example can be 8x to the power of 6 plus 3, 10xy minus x cubed, 12xy plus 4 can be given as the examples. Next will be trinomial expression. Tri means 3. So 3 terms will be there in these expressions. X plus x square plus 5, y to the power of 4 plus y plus 6, z plus z square minus 5 can be given as some of the examples for the trinomial expressions. The next will be polynomial expressions. Under these polynomial expressions, we can categorize again into 3 parts: linear expressions and also quadratic expressions and the cubic expressions. In the linear polynomial expression, a polynomial of the degree 1, it will be a polynomial of the degree 1. See the example here, 2x plus 1 and 8 minus 2u, I have taken the example. 2x plus 1 means here the degree of the expression means we consider the power number of the x here. Please observe here, the power number of the x here will be 1. So, this is a polynomial of the degree 1. And again here 8 minus 2u, in this example also the degree of the expression will be 1 because the power number of this u will be 1. So, we consider like this. And next will be a quadratic polynomial of the degree 2. Here you can observe these examples: x square plus 25, x square or x to the power of 2. 2 is there. So, to second degree, it is of the second degree expression. So, the number 2 is there. Next example, y square minus y minus 36. Again here, y is also there and y square is there. The power number for this y is 1. Don't consider the lowest degree. Here the highest degree will be considered y square. That is again quadratic polynomial of the degree 2 is that is the example for that. Next, cubic polynomial. A polynomial of the degree 3. X to the power of 3 plus x square. Again x to the power of 3 plus 5. And again some more examples also can be given for this cubic polynomials. So, in this cubic polynomial means the degree of the equation may vary. That may be of the 4th degree expression, 5th degree expression, 6th degree expression. Like that the variations also may be there here. And now next let me tell you about the algebraic equation. Next is algebraic equation. See, I have taken the example here, x plus 6 is equal to 8. Equation. See, please don't get confused between the algebraic expression and the algebraic equation. An algebraic equation consists of the expression. See, x plus 6 is nothing but the algebraic expression. but when it is combined with this equal sign and also another number on the another side, then we can call it as a algebraic equation. For that I will tell you once again here afterwards. I have considered here x plus 6 is equal to 8. This is an algebraic equation. In an algebraic equation, two parts will be there. Two parts will be there. Actually, x plus 6 is the left hand side and 8 is the right hand side. Okay, x plus 6 is the left hand side. You consider in an equation two parts will be there. X is called as the variable here. X is the variable and x, the value of the x can be calculated as 8 minus 6. See, 8 minus 6. This plus 6 must be brought to the other side of the equation. See, when there is a equals sign, we call it as an equation. X is equal to 8 minus 6. 8 minus 6 and the value will be 2. So, for this same equation, we can do the verification also. Let us consider the equation x plus 6 is equal to 8. Here, in the place of the x, I am writing the value as 2. Now, at this time, we know x is equal to 2. So, I am writing in the place of x, the number 2 and again plus 6, let us consider. 2 plus 6 is nothing but again 8. So, here, the left hand side of the equation is equal to the right hand side. LHS means left hand side is equal to the right hand side. So, in this algebraic equation, we are able to find out the value for the variable. Single variable is there. X is the one variable what we are having and the value of the x is 2 and also we have proved that LHS is equal to RHS. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. And an expression is, that is an algebraic expression is a collection of a single or multiple terms separated by either minus or plus. Again here, see, I have considered one more expression here, that is minus 6 minus 9. Here minus 6 is the coefficient of x and x is the variable and minus 9 is called as the constant. So this I have taken one more example for the expression, algebraic expression. So here you can compare this and also the upper part, see, algebraic equation, expression and the equation. So don't get confused between these two. In an algebraic equation, we can solve the value for the variable. If single variable will be there, we can find out the value, and also when two variables also we can find out the values. I will give you some more examples in the coming video. Next video I will show you some more examples of this. So all of you please watch this video, like this, share this and subscribe this. Thank you.